Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to chat to hosting a support. So they have some really decent chat support options. So the first point of contact will be like an AI chat bot called Cody, but it's pretty decent. It's got the ability to answer questions with great detail and help with a lot of problems. So if you have a question or a problem to access this chatbot, all you need to do is look to the top right hand corner. It says Ask AI. So I'll give you some suggestions for what you can ask Cody, or you can just type in your own question. And so I'm just going to ask Cody this question: how can I check my website's error logs? Then Cody will go ahead and analyze my request. It will identify details, and then it will give me an answer. So then you can go ahead and read through the answer, and if you get all the information you want, that's great. If you don't, just type in something like, please can I talk to a human, and send that, and you'll usually get directed to a human chat agent quite quickly. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.